Hi. I sound like a kid. I know. I've just been really tired from waking up at 4 in the morning for some reason. Why are you lying like that? Okay, you're awake now. Come here. I don't know why you were laying like that. I don't know if I should be concerned. Okay. Go back to sleep. You don't need to claw me. Yeah, she's lying on me. Because I don't want to be sweating the rest of the night, Please, move. Okay, I'm gonna move you. There. That is life for me. Anyway, bye.